In this exercise, we have to create a following model. So first, we're going to front plane create this sketch. So here we have all the mesh that we need. And then we're going to extrude this sketch 50 millimeters, as we see here. And then we have to create a sketch. We can create this sketch on this face here or on the back face, or any face here that's parallel to this face. Here we can see here we have some radius of 25 millimeters, and these dimensions, it's not necessary. We can see from the sketch that this is 25, but these dimensions is driven dimensions, that's why it's gray. And then with this sketch, we're gonna cut our model. So let's go to SOLIDWORKS. So first, let's go to the front plane. Let's create a sketch. Let's go with a line. So we can start here at the origin. We can go with a vertical line like this, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. Now let's go to the right, let's go down, and let's finish here in the origin, like this. Now let's make this point here, and this point here horizontal. Let's click OK. As well, this point here, and this point here horizontal. Let's click OK. Now let's make this line here, and this line here. Let's go with equal. Let's click OK. Now we have defined all relations that we need. Now we can go to Smart Dimensions, and we can put our dimensions here. Let's go with 150 millimeters. This one is 50 millimeters, like this. This one is 15, like this, and this one is 15 as well. And this one here is 30 millimeters, like this, and this is 20 millimeters, like this. Now we can see that our sketch is black. Here is fully defined. Let's click OK. Let's go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. The depth is 50 millimeters, so let's go with 50. We can go to this direction, or we can change direction. We can go to this, or we can go mid-plane. It really doesn't matter. Let's click OK. And this is the first step. In the second step, we have to create a sketch that is parallel to this face, this face, this face, or this face. So for example, we can go to this face, and here we can create a sketch. Let's go normal 2, like this. Now we will choose center point arc. We will go to midpoint of this edge here, like this. Let's go here to this vertex. Let's create a center point arc, like this. Now it's fully defined, and if we go to Smart Dimensions, the radius is 25, but we don't need these dimensions, so we can escape. Now let's go here and let's choose a line. So let's create here a vertical line, like this. Now let's go here. Let's create a line, the second line here, like this. Now let's go here and let's choose center line. Let's connect this line here and this line here. Now let's make this point here the midpoint of the center line and the midpoint of this edge. Let's make this vertical, like this. Let's click OK. Now let's go to Smart Dimensions. Let's define the distance between those two lines. Let's go with 10 millimeters, like this. Let's click OK. Now let's choose a line here, and let's connect this point here and this point here. As well, let's go with this point here and this point here, like this. And now we can use those two sketches to cut this material, this one here and this one here. So we can go to Features, Extruded Cut. Let's choose here option True All, like this. Let's click OK. And this is the result that we're looking for.